Georeferencing is an advanced method for placing historical maps in the actual geography. You find the tool in the bottom right map panel. Start with uploading the map image you want to georeference. You need to relate to file types and file sizes, and we recommend that you use maps with the highest possible quality up to the limit of uploading. A low quality map may become blurry. The upload takes a short time, meanwhile you can fill in the map information. Mandatory is the map name, original title, production year, and an open copyright license. When it comes to older maps, they are mostly free for use, therefore you may click Public Domain, but be careful to state the correct license from what source you get the map from, and under this list there is a link with license information if you want to read it in detail. A number of voluntary information is also possible to fill in. The map appears here in the georeferencing window. If it is not aligned in north-south direction, you may run into trouble of finding the right points later, so you can rotate the map 5 degrees at a time. Some maps even has a compass rose drawn to clarify the direction, so you can take help from that. When you are satisfied with the first step, click Georeference the map image. The system starts preparing for your work. In step 2, you will now place points to attach the map image to the modern map. I have prepared by zooming in the modern map to the right area. In the georeferencing tool, you can move the image around. You can zoom with plus and minus buttons or with the mouse wheel, just as you can zoom and move the modern map. This may be an extensive work. Different maps may be more or less hard to georeference. The landscape may have changed so much that the connections may be hard to achieve. You need to place at least 4 points in the map. The most realistic maps will also need only 1 point in each corner to be placed right. But many maps need much more manual work, and it may be time-consuming. The result will also be much more satisfying if you are thorough with the details. Add a point by clicking the plus button in the menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-A. Start by adding points on places that you know are correct. Of course, it helps if you know the physical place. Sometimes the landscape has changed so much that the connection is hard to make. Then you can use a help map. That is most often an older map that shows the landscape character more in detail. This is an older map and it shows the shoreline in its transition compared to the modern map. It will give more hints to how the area looked in the time this map was created. You can also change historical map layers to get other insights. If you are dissatisfied with the point's placement, you delete it with a minus button to the left in its respective row. When you are satisfied with your placement of points, click Georeference the map image. The system starts working, and it takes a while. The result is seen in the map window. Sometimes it is excellent, sometimes surprisingly bad. If you think the result is good, click Save and Publish in the left menu. If not, you can go back and correct points. You can also start over with the same map, or you can discard and create a new map. Here I'm going back to step 2 because I want to correct errors by deleting some points, placing new ones. If all looks good, you can zoom in to the details in the georeferenced map and use the transparency tool in the map menu and compare the historical map with a modern one. When you have saved and published, your georeferenced map is available in the map menu under User-Created Layers, Point Layers and Maps. Here, your map is now published for other users along with other maps from fellow users. Georeferencing is an advanced tool and it may require some practice. Here are some quick tips to get going. Good luck!